love what author Michael Gerber did in his book, The E-Myth, when he differentiated working for an organization from in an organization from on an organization. His point being that far too often, far too many of us spend far too much time being tactical at the for and in level only. It's absolutely true that most of us, most of the time, will be working for and in an organization. But that doesn't prohibit us from being more strategic, from hopping in the helicopter and rising higher. At a different altitude, we have a different point of view. In fact, some of the worst executives I've interacted with are those that continue to work for and in rather than asking big, broad, strategic questions. Those that have very long-term implications. Regardless one's role, we can all helicopter up. By way of example, consider this quote. Give salespeople a quota, and the good ones will scamper up every tree in search of coconuts and chop down all the rest. But give strategic salespeople a quota, and their first question will often be, are we on the right island?